Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack and, of course, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we're out driving near Nashville, Tennessee this evening, where I have been observing one of the most intense lightning storms I've seen in a long, long time. This one occurring on the last day of July. And I had a little bit of music playing in the background. And I think if you listen to the words, it seemed to match beautifully with the sky lighting up throughout the tune. I mean, this thing was intense, and it continues right now. So here you go. Take a look and see what you think.
Count to three and say a prayer. Down for love and up for air. Underwater overjoyed. Water for a thirsty soul. Water for a thirsty soul. Baptize me into your love. Oh, my spirit's overcome. Body, mind, and skin and bone. Love, I'm gonna make it known. Love, I'm gonna make it known. Yeah, I'm coming alive with you. I'm coming alive with you. I was living a lie till you. I'm coming alive with you. All the people say,
So there you have it. I told you that was some of the most intense lightning I have seen in a long, long time. And I've seen lightning storms from coast to coast, but this one really lit up the night sky and continues to do so now. It's been going on for well over an hour. A word of caution though, I never got out of the car when I was videoing this lightning storm, and you should never get out as well. Stay in your home, stay in your car. If you're in a restaurant or whatever, just stay put until the storm passes. But wasn't that a beautiful display of Mother Nature and the power that we can see from these storms and the lightning that was out there as well? Till we see you next time, you know what to do. Keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam, and if you so choose, check out my podcast, The Jack Church Show, and please stick around for those closing credits. Till we see you next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. Bye now from a stormy Nashville.